the federal government still sees marijuana as a Schedule I substance deemed illegal to possess, there are two pieces of legislation proposing clinical trials of medical marijuana for use within the Department of Veterans Affairs. Two bills with one purpose: Senate Bill 1467 and House Bill 2916, known as the VA Medicinal Cannabis Research Act of 2021. Each direct the Secretary of Veterans Affairs to carry out a series of clinical trials on the effects of cannabis on certain health outcomes of veterans with chronic pain and post-traumatic stress disorder. Homefront focused on the issue of veterans seeking out treatment with medical cannabis in October of 2019. Nicholas Schneeder was a veteran willing to discuss his issues with PTSD and said after his first month on medical marijuana, he noticed a difference.
I call it a great supplement. So it doesn't replace everything, specifically, therapy and things like that. It's allowing me to get off of pharmaceuticals that, have really negative side effects.
15% of my patients are veterans, and the majority of the time when those patients are coming to the clinic, the reasons that they're seeking help is for PTSD and chronic pain.
James Weeks is an internal medicine physician who owns and operates One Heart Medical. When we last spoke, the VA didn't see medical marijuana as an alternative to traditional treatment, and it still doesn't, citing on their website, in part, that cannabis is not recommended for the treatment of PTSD. The nonprofit Disabled American Veterans, or DAV, headquartered in Erlanger, advocates for veteran rights, and they support the current medical marijuana bills.
We always want to see what is out there that can help make our members better, happier, healthier when it comes down to their service-connected disabilities.
One of the ratings actually on GovTrack shows that maybe a 4% chance of it even coming out of committee.
I mean, it's unfortunate that the popularity of the bill is not that great, but we do what we can when we find legislation that we can support to let our members know, hey, here's something that is potentially good for you, or something that you've asked for that we think is good legislation, and to make sure that you let your representatives know that.
So I do want to point out here that there are no co-sponsors from Indiana, Kentucky, or Ohio currently tied to the bill.